Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you make a jewelry box using ice cream sticks. Okay, so it's time to make its lid. So for making this you will be needing 11 sticks. Okay, so it's time to color it. So I will color it with pink color, and here also I am using spray paint. If you don't have a spray paint, then you can also use watercolors or brush pens or acrylic colors. So after spraying it, let it dry. Okay, so now cut 4 strips of navy blue color paper and paste it on the box. Now paste a navy blue lace on the sides of its lid. So I am applying the lace using hot glue. If you don't have a hot glue gun, then you can also use fabric glue to paste the lace. Okay, so now your makeup box is ready. Now you can put your makeup stuffs in it. You can also put any other thing, for example desk stuffs such as pencil, erasers, sharpeners, glue sticks, scissors, craft punch, sellotape, sticky notes, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And thanks for watching.